Yo, so long that the female will come, brother?
The soon come, man.
Brother, a long time with there saying, man.
I true, I go while there. See.
Yo, you didn't know, say, this a blue hole here about 100 odd feet deep.
Oh, yeah, man.
And the deeper you go, you go down, as you go down to your salt level, to your sea level,
Yeah.
the water gets salt.
Salt. Yeah, man.
Right now you can go right, you can also put a pan down there so right now and catch water and carry home go drink.
Nice.
So brother, the girl look good.
Man, nice. She nice.
This is nice.
Nice.
So I don't know your thing going on.
You know, it's a promise nice. You know what I mean? All right. Yeah.
Brother, she take too long though, dog. God, no, man. That's really going.
I want to know evening nice, you know? Ready? I show you this coming already.
Hi, Randy.
Hey, what happened, Vanessa?
I'm okay. What's up?
There, man. Ready? Vanessa, you know? So, Vanessa. Me ready, me Vanessa.
Okay.
So, I left for them, I'm going to do the thing, and
So I'm safe?
yeah, man, I'm secure, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man, I ready this, you know?
Okay.
Good with ready, man. Ready, boss. Ready. And enjoy, yeah?
All right.
So,
Hi. Hi.
What's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Yeah.
As my brother did tell you already, Roddy.
Okay.
So like the artist name Roddy Rich, but Roddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, and then nice, yeah.
Thank you. Nice seeing you.
So where you from originally?
Where am I from? Petersfield.
Yeah. Right.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Right now, you see, them time of evening is the best time to actually be at rolling river right now. You can actually see the fish them a jump up out of the blue water, like if it, look, you see them?
So you like nature?
I love nature.
Mhm.
I love nature. I love everything about nature. We wish Eve never ate the apple so we could have still make it.
You're funny.
I have a very nice smile now.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Kind of nervous too.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, you're surprising.
Am I ugly?
Ugly? You know, they know when you're ugly. Come on. Ugly. Why you don't say that by yourself?
Just say you're nervous. Like,
I'm nervous because this is the first time I actually meet in person.
yeah, you're good looking.
Oh. Man not feel good looking still. Man feel,
You have a buzz then.
well, we better say that.
Oh, okay.
Watch it, look this like. Hey, you know what say? Like every time I walk past us up, I see this.
You bring back memories.
Yeah, like but I feel like similar. I enjoy being with you.
That makes two of us see.
So like when I go back to meet the family, because I mean want to meet your family.
When the time is right. I know we have been dating for some time, but it's still too early.
Vanessa.
When I'm ready, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
Vanessa. What God forbid, what if something should happen to you? Or something happen to you? And me sure. You think so them are going to wonder who me be? Eh?
You have to think positive. Death and life is in the tongue. Just speak positive. Nothing will happen to me. I'll be okay. You'll meet my family when the time is fit.
Don't say I will and I God know you kind of turn me on to do. Come on, go upside no.
What?
Go up. Come on. Come on, you know you like it, you know. Come on.
Yeah, man. Love you so. All right. Cool.
Morning.
Good morning, sis.
How going?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm there. Yes, smile. How going?
Hmm? Sis, I'm gonna tell you good news. I'm in love. There's this guy in my life now. I mean, I have a man now.
They say you have a man, you find man?
Yes, sister.
Me not believe you.
This is my real face. I'm not lying. I'm being honest.
Well, congratulations.
Well, thank you.
Me happy for you.
For you?
For real.
Thank you. Sorry, I have a problem like that.
Hmm?
But you still can't believe I'm a fine man. Hmm? What you expect? Sis,
Hmm?
what you expect?
Nothing there. I me say congratulations. Me happy for you.
Well, as I said before, thanks. Yeah, I just hope that you'll be able to meet him soon.
Well,
You want to meet him?
sure.
So how about you? How you look so? Talk to you and yeah, look to the side. What's wrong?
Me not have that on my head right now. Me not have no relationship on man on my head right now. Me and him salt. Me alright.
You fine?
No, I got relax.
You're not fine, but you're going to relax.
I'm eating salt, but me just want relax.
Oh, okay. That's what I really want to tell you so that I'm no longer single. Your big sister is no longer single.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, sis.
Yes. What's up? Sorry, I mean, you know. Like, yeah, come on. You know how long they have to wait for you? Hmm?
Well, Ush.
What did you say you have to tell me now?
Ready, baby. I got this opportunity to travel to Kingston, a job opportunity to make my life better. Something I've been praying for, hoping for, and the time has finally arrived. And I think this is the best thing to take at the moment. So I have to travel to Kingston for this.
Well, you know, so me always support you in everything. I'm happy say you get a new opportunity. That means now that you get the job now, is either one thing, you know, me have to start look for come at town more often to come spend weekends with you and then sit there. 'Cause I don't know, me still have to, you know?
Babe, you talk it so simple. It's not that simple. This job is going to consume me time wise, energy wise. I don't see where this relationship is going to work or to make sense. Being that we're so distant, we're going to be distant. You're all the way in Westmoreland while I'm in Kingston. It can't work, babe.
Babes, how far is it from Westmoreland to Kingston? I just 3 hours, you know. It's not like, say, a foreign year go or you migrate go on different country. We're still in a Jamaica. It's just 3 hours away. So it's not if me just come up one weekend, come spend with it. Babes, you understand some love you? You understand the amount of energy me put in at this relationship, yeah? You have to amount of things we go through. Eh?
I agree. I understand. I am sorry. But it's not all about the distance. What about the time?
Babes, look, it's just 3 hours from Kingston, you know, from Westmoreland if you go to Kingston. So look, and I like say, yeah, migrate go foreign and nothing. Vanessa, me love you, you know. Me put in everything what me have in this relationship. And this you can tell me.
So you think some love it too. You don't think someone the best for us.
So
As a matter of fact, I love you, but I love me more. I got to do what's best for me.
let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Everything good. You got to get the opportunity and go on. Because guess what? You're not going to style me, you know.
It's not style. Just understand, babe. What's the sense of I being in Kingston while you're in Westmoreland? As I said, that's so far away. Plus, I'll be so busy. I got to focus and to devote myself to the job. Yeah,
You know what?
it's funny.
You know what? Vanessa,
Babe, just know that things can change. Things can get better. For now, just keep your fingers crossed. I'll call you.
so wait, let me understand what you say. You tell me now, say, things can get better.
Of course.
So why since you tell me this now? If things can get better, why you tell me this for? Eh? That means you don't believe in
I did not say things will get better. I said things can get better, meaning there's a possibility. So just
so wait. We must take a relationship and put it upon a possibility of it working out. We just take what you say now and just put it upon a possibility of it working out.
yeah.
When I say, you know, say, I'm a mad girl, though. You're mad. You're, that way, all the way you tell me, say, is madness. Got no sense of somebody. You're in a Jamaica. Jamaica is a very small place. So if you're going to tell me, say, you go to town and this can't work up, that's a long distance relationship. You don't know about that distant relationship. People live a foreign and have man out here and them a live good. And people live a town and have man even have Ochi and Mobi and a live good. So you tell me, say, how man you finding a girl?
Babe, it's not like that. As I said, it's gonna consume me time-wise. What's the sense of a relationship when I can't see you as I would love to? What about when I want me to touch you, to hold you, to squeeze you? What about those, babe?
AI come out now where we can send picture. You can type in, say, write in, send me a, right, show me of my man. And AI can do it you. So what you tell me, say, madness you chat. But take your time and do what you do. Hope we wish you the best, Vanessa. Vanessa, we wish you the best.
I'll call you once there's a
Don't
change.
call me phone. That me I tell you. Just do your thing. You hear me I tell you?
You know,
Look for me good. Nobody love me. Cause that way I tell me say, they're foolishness. Just do your thing.
one last hug for now, please.
Oh, give me papa. And that me I tell you, sir, I don't come deal with me either, you know, girl. And that me I tell you, you know. Oh, let that man, but yeah. I nobody think say it go, say, yeah, me I tell you, cause you that girl. Nobody feel like say it go, so. That me I tell you.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
Apologize to your mama.
Yo, Mary called me on the phone today. Where that say? Hey, look, someone.
Bro. If I know me and Vanessa, dog, you ever see me disrespect Vanessa yet?
No, brother. Never, brother. How happened now?
Brother, tell me if this right. She get a work at home. You see?
Yeah.
And she a come tell me, say, she get a work at home, you know, and this now go work no more because long distance relationship no work. And so me I say, like, what you say to me?
So, she can't come down a weekend time or you can go check her or something.
So now that me I try to tell her, but me know what she tell me that, you know, me know say some match or some money. You know, cause what you know, me a man, brother, we know all this. Me never try to cheat on her yet, you know. Me never try to cheat on her yet, and that she a come tell me today, brother. So like she a tell me say, me can't come up there because she want to get her thing up and she want to focus on her and this, brother. Yeah. Tell me if no style thing that day.
Yeah, that's
and then I'm gonna say, you know.
That's all like she at distance from you know.
You know, I'm gonna say, brother. She don't even know. Cause what you know?
So you plan for do? How you sound, son? What you plan for do?
Brother, me not even know, you know. Right now,
You know why you get yourself in no trouble, brother. You know that, no?
only one thing we just do with all him mother to, you know.
Mother. Your son just stick this to do, brother. And so far you gone, I think, man.
You know what?
You
know what?
So you
know what?
You know you too much, you know.
Our sister, me never talk to his sister yet. His sister, no. Nice. Looking fully too. And he works so in there told her, and if me could have, me mash her up. Cause she can't tell me, say, make sure she threaten me. Watch me out. Me there with his sister. And show me say nothing ramp with me. Cause watch man, me never try to disrespect her yet, you know.
So what on? You think I best for that, brother?
So how is me feel better?
Alright.
Remember say me never cheat on her yet, you know. So how me feel better? Better me there with his sister then, man. She's the town I'm doing, so he's still in her family.
Alright, brother, you know, anything will make you feel happier than man then, you know? Let's do the right thing, no?
Then sis, all of the edit tell me say, you're gonna make me meet your boyfriend. So I'll know me not meet your boyfriend.
My boyfriend, that's in the past. Thank God I did not allow for you to meet him. Thank God. We're no longer dating
Why? What happened?
because I'm going to Kingston. I'm leaving, so that relationship cannot work. It just won't work.
So yeah, tell me say true because you get work and you move to Kingston. You left the man.
Obviously, yeah. What I mean, long distance relationship to me, it makes no sense. What about when he miss me and I miss him? Tell me about that part of it. He's gonna stray, and maybe I do the same. So to avoid all that, it's best to just stay by myself, pack to Kingston, start a better life, work some money, and stuff like that. It's about choices, and I've made my choice.
All right.
So what? Think about yourself.
Me
Think
I think
about
about
him.
myself. I'm not ready for no boyfriend yet.
Oh, okay.
Hope you have a good journey.
You gonna miss me?
Of course.
You sure?
Of course. If you come back, come look for me, you know.
Or if not, what?
Remember me and your girlfriend will look till now. So you would have left me out?
You think I would do that? You're my baby sister, my younger sister. My everything. I love you, sis.
Love you too. Alright, me there. Hope you reach up safe and everything. Hope you call me, message me like you used to. And about a switch or change.
Not on you. Maybe I'm that guy. Not on you. But I thought you'd mention to me that maybe you'd love to come by on the weekends. I don't want to come by eventually.
Well, I will think about it.
You don't like Kingston?
Never seen me no like Kingston, Louis. Think about it. What if it come to a point of me find a look boyfriend? Me not gonna be like you, run around a town of the man.
Sis, they can't just throw the dirt on my face like that, man. Relax now. It's just what's best for the moment.
Okay.
When about boyfriend? When about boyfriend?
I'm just saying.
You ever dated a guy before? Talk to me.
Nope.
No. I know you know, sis. From ever since you're just this sneaking type, I know you. You must have man back then. I remember son of a man where I had to talk to. But it's all good still. Me I talk to you on the phone. Talk back to me now.
What you want me to say?
Yeah, you did have a boyfriend?
No. I'm eating salt, but I'm not ready as yet.
No. Anyways, I'm gonna miss you though.
Miss you too.
I'll call you. I promise I won't forget you. I'll call you. I promise. And just be nice. Take care of yourself for me. Avoid trouble. Protect yourself from love and all that mess. Give me a hug. Oh my God. I love you.
Take care.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave now. Taxi, I'm coming. Oh, I can't do She the taxi up low.
Oh, son, and everything never.
Wow, Cheryl, what go on? Long time I see. All right. Come on. Auntie. Hello.
Good afternoon.
You know, so me I look for one shoes because me I want one little graduation I come up and I want a nice little clocks.
Well, this is a brown one, you know? I like that one.
So how much is this?
$25,000.
25,000? Nothing we can't get no better.
Well, I'm just start working here.
Alright. Alright. No one know that still. But oh, you're working here and you look so nice.
We expect.
A long time I know Auntie, you know. Long time I know Auntie and Cheryl and everybody. So the first me even know say you're even working here.
Well, me just start.
And sorry for come now.
I come from one place named Petersburg.
That's fair.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I know where I come from, Tina.
Really?
Which part up there?
The scheme.
A lie. You know saying no Matox. Don't tell me
It's me know.
2 Matox you know?
Yeah.
The one more well. And one Matox up that sweet.
Yeah.
Eh. So you know, I figure I can get to know each other then, man.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
You look
Shit.
nice though.
A phone.
Oh, you can put it in on my phone.
So,
What can I say with this?
you know that artist named Roddy Rich? But not Roddy Rich, Roddy.
All right, Roddy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. So, just put this in our bag for me. Ask.
All right.
There.
come eat the ice cream. I'm ready. You know, someone want to apologize to bring her with me. True, because our mother, they at work and nobody know they want to keep her, so they have to bring her with me.
Come on, man. That's no problem. Good thing you're here.
I mean, they want to disappoint you, so I just have to bring her with me.
No, man. It's good that you're practicing because, so from where possible one can come in your belly too. Where's my ice cream? What's her name?
Layla.
Layla, because my ice cream. No, somebody ice cream on. You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Say a blush up.
No, I just appreciate the fact that you bring me up on a date because nowadays, them man, yeah, they don't know no one name date. Them just one day and just that's it.
I mean, intimacy sometimes is not just in the bedroom, man. It's nice to have a little conversation and get to know each other. What's wrong?
Our spoon drop.
Oh, I'm gonna get you another one, alright?
I'm gonna get the spoon for
This. Me say, man, what's up, girl?
I'm a there. Let me just come out Irene a fall.
So, what's up?
But here say get work at tone.
Well, I did. Thanks be to God. Who tell you?
Your sister tell me.
My sister?
Yes, you're not even call me and tell me say you left the community.
I lost the number, obviously, but I mean, you know, we can always make a number. I'm sorry about that, though.
Wait, me know say you know this cause you're not really down your side again. But you know say your sister already there.
What?
Your sister already there.
My sister and Roddy Day. Which Roddy that?
Your ex-man.
My Roddy? A joke you make.
I know you're ready again.
You prank me. A joke you make. You serious?
Of course, we're serious.
My sister, as in, my little sister, from my love, when I go check now, when I leave from all the way at town, so I come look for a surprise her. A joke you make.
I look like somebody we are on joke.
Well, Bella, thank you so much for telling me. Thank you.
Listen. Oh, you know, but I'll call my name to your sister and I say me said this and I say that. Cause me in a the sister mix up business. Oh, you tell her because you tell me.
So you don't trust me by now. Me your friend, you know?
Me never said me
Me
don't
your
trust you.
friend. But because I my screen so still to tell me.
Alright.
Loyalty.
Lord Jesus. Sis, you come. How happen now?
Me ears at the moment.
What me do?
Who give you the right to go down my man? As in my ex-man. Who give you the right?
Which man?
As in my ex-man. Which is still my man, because I still love him.
Which man that?
Roddy, of course, Roddy.
So all me if you know say you already did there.
Remember how you know? Why I these days this? What kind of style that?
Listen, me never know say you already there. Remember you did tell me say you gonna make me meet him. I know me no meet him. And so what? You left the man and gone at town. So what if me there with the man now?
You serious, sis?
Me
You
serious?
hear yourself?
Yes.
After all these things when me had to feel as an older sister, mommy dad and God, I'm treat you good, me can move in with me. I had sleep with my man and there with my man come back. You know what me say, this or whatever?
It was your man before. Yeah, the man left. You left the man gone a town.
It doesn't matter whether it be town, Kingston, Spanish Town, Spain. It doesn't matter. I still no man. We still have that band chemistry connection, everything same way, not no change. It's just the fact that him that country and me that Kingston.
Well, left him and me now left me. Love him too.
This need crowd. You stick my stomach.
So you blame me for something.
You know me not like you? I'm disappointed in you. Since you really look at me, you all the sister and stab me in my back. And like I said, I say, sis, me love him. I didn't let him. I didn't ask her to let him.
So how me stab you in a year back now? Remember you tell me say relationship done. Next thing me never know say you and him did day.
I wonder for a long time you do it already. Anytime you already did that talk, you go on like say you don't know my man.
Jeez,
Me I pray you know, sis. Me I pray you.
so that you really come left from home, come there to come argue with me.
I grab me one, grab you.
Then back where you come from, please. You don't know what is a good man.
So you know. You're grown enough to come teach me who is a good man. What sweet shall sour you. Okay, you start it, I'll finish it. Pick up a nice spring so. Continue. Don't stop.
Ready? Ready?
Vanessa, I want to you. Vanessa, what is what? You know something you left?
You see you ready? You're nothing but a load of shit. How could you? How could you sleep with my sister? As a matter of fact, date my sister. How could you? You're nothing but a piece of arsehole. You see you? Me hate you. So you can't talk. You're speechless.
You see you? I'm tell you this. Nobody come on me yard with them listen. You
What you mean?
First thing first, you left me and say you're gone to town because I get new opportunity. And you left me down here by myself. Oh, if you know, me didn't even know your family. When me tell you say me want come a family reunion and this, where you do? You know care me. So how if you know say I did a sister? Eh? Me can't tell the difference between you and fear. Because how me I gonna know?
Where does that make sense? Where does that make sense?
The best
You
thing.
you don't know my sister? You really don't know my sister?
Vanessa, where you know your sister from? Eh? Where me if I know your sister?
Know yourself.
Me know nothing about your family them?
Know yourself. It's what me done with you. Ella broke loose.
Where you don't know? Where what that supposed to mean?
Make sure they can start where you finish, here.
You know what? The best thing you do, you better go on back where you come from here. Because I want to know how me supposed to know say your sister. Me not know nothing about your family them, you know, Vanessa. And you come and so come go on like you want to come disrespect me, you know. Eh?
You call it disrespect. Okay, don't worry yourself. Just relax, Mr. Roddy. All right. But guess what? Two can play that game, all right?
So what that's supposed to mean?
Two can play that
What
game.
that's supposed to mean?
Make sure so whatever you start, you can finish.
So what that's supposed to mean? I threaten me? You really coming at me and I feel like I want to come threaten me?
So that's a
Come out of me, yeah. Come out of me. Come out of me. I'm gonna feel like taking you. What you do? Remember what you do, yeah? Remember what you do? Hey, baby.
Now, hey, baby, I want to talk to you about something.
So, what you have to tell me now, babes?
I don't even know how to explain. You know, say, my sister Vanessa come to me.
Vanessa. I don't know your sister. I don't know your sister. No sister for your name Vanessa.
What you mean you don't know my sister when name Vanessa?
Vanessa. Babes, you talk like say me know your family them. Me don't know your family them.
Roddy, what you mean you don't know Vanessa, my sister? She come here today in a one piece of big argument. Boy, you.
But me. What you mean she come out today with an argument about me? What she say? What she say? Who?
She come to me and I say, you know, I did there.
Vanessa. One, Vanessa made the talk to him from that the girl that left me and that the girl that left long time. Right now she at town, she there. She left me and gone at town. So we don't know which Vanessa that
I'm
is.
a sister. I'm a big sister.
Yeah, like that. It's just a prank. Wake up, man. Eh?
I don't know prank. I'm a sister. As a matter of fact, I know say I'm a sister the long time.
So how me get involved in this now? Cause watch you know. First thing first. Me not really know say I'm Vanessa's sister. Me and Vanessa did attack us, but me and Vanessa left long time.
You
No.
remember a time when I beg you a call? I'ma go through your phone. From them time, then me find out say yeah, my sister did there. But me never really make it be a problem to me. But it a get out of hand now.
So I can never say something to me.
Me never really want to say nothing to you, but me should have come to you from them time there.
Khalid, look. Yes, my sister did attack. Yes, we did attack, yes, but I never know serious. And a long time, I me never know say you and her sister.
It a get out of hand right now. See, she come in a big argument with me.
You know why? Because she's jealous. She jealous. Because she say me I treat you, you get better treatment than now. She jealous. Khalid, nobody makes you stress you. I don't nobody.
Hello.
Vanessa, what happened?
I'm good. So I'm surprised to see you here. What's up?
Yeah, me too, me there, have a drink easy, but you know?
Oh, perfect timing.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'll sit beside you if you don't mind.
So,
I guess, yeah.
look like all this one, picture.
Looking lovely.
Mm.
Mm.
I have come with now my sister.
Your sister.
My sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law. That was in the past. To the left.
Oh, yeah.
You forgot?
Yeah, for sure. But you know so much happen, man. But I keep track of certain things.
Anyways, let's just talk about the present. You're looking great. I always like,
Thanks, I appreciate that, but are you is a no.
what do you mean by that?
God, you know, say my brother did so good.
Did so good.
Yeah, but my brother, I can't do that to my brother.
Doesn't matter about brother not. You might always want and like and I love you.
Oh, God.
Can you imagine that? I'm in love with you, baby.
Well,
What are you drinking, Dragon?
Dragon, yeah? It's a sick one, Dragon. But you know what I said? That important negative though, my sister.
Negative.
I don't care why you're still my sister, like. So, you know, I go,
So you don't want anything to drink, you're not thirsty.
you know, I'm there already a sick one, Dragon. So, you know, I'm not stressing up.
Drink I must taste, but I want something sensible to drink, something tasty.
Well, you're a call, so
What do you drink? What do you want? What you want?
let's get that drink.
What name so?
Magnus.
Magnum utter cool. Hello?
Now use the restroom and come back, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, but if you're hard, you drink, you come back.
Okay. Bartender.
Come back, man. See you buy Magnum, man. Thanks, yeah?
Yeah, ice.
Yeah, man. When I'm ready, man, I go and support the dragon, you know?
I just realized water in white. Maybe one day can be Mrs. White.
That dog, I'm still in there. No matter what, I still my sister in line.
Back to the sender.
I would have crossed the line.
Back to the sender. That was in the past.
Yeah, man, the past, man, but remember, say, Roddy, I me a blood brother.
Forgot about that. Forgot about that. Just pause and focus on me. You don't like me. Me don't look nice.
Like you're a sister.
Me don't look good. Eh?
Like you're from a brother.
Funny.
Vanessa! 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 Vanessa!
It's what?
Hey girl, come here. You see you? You see you? You see you? My girl, you see you? You see for them one thing, I come over there, come kick you down.
So do it.
What kind of picture that I sent to my phone?
Oh, the picture.
Oh, the picture. Oh, the picture. What kind of style that there? Eh? Them the picture that we sent to my phone. A style you want to style me. Eh?
Oh, the picture. So now we know how it feels to sleep with my sister. So how it feel now to sleep with a brother. Amazing, right? You're upset.
How you feel for me sleep with my brother? How you feel for you sleep with two brother? That look good to you? That look good to you?
Of course. What do you mean? Fantastic.
You sound like a bitch right now. I'm sorry for calling you a bitch, but you sound like a bitch. That no sound good, Vanessa.
Maybe
How you feel sleep with two brother? I'm a brother that you know so I'm a brother.
I guess I'm a bitch. Proud bitch. Yeah. So you're upset? Why? You start it. I promised I would finish it. You start it. I finish it. It's just a taste of your own medicine, baby.
Don't touch my man. Vanessa. Yes, me sleep with your sister, you know. But you know me sleep with your sister because me love you. That's why I sleep with your sister. Because you disrespect me because you tell me say yo you got a ton and this and long distance relationship and this not gonna work. So me just say yo, I just deal with your sister and try to style. Me never did that. Me never Vanessa, me love you, you know. Me love you. All of that what me do is because you disrespect me, Vanessa. And I don't know joking. And that way you do that way you do with me brother a style thing that and that low. That's the lowest you could have ever go. That not look good. That me I tell you.
Say Zoo.
What I mean say
Say Zoo.
so how you feel now? Alright, yeah, you're sex too, brother. What you accomplish from that? What you accomplish?
I feel great. You know why? I got the perfect reaction from you. And you know what? You lose my sister plus your brother. How great is that?
Everything good, you know, cause they say what no cause life, no cause nothing. If you feel like say you want to date too, brother, you can go there with my cousin too, you know. And keep it in our
No,
family.
your father will be nicer. Your father blood will be stronger. I don't need a cousin.
You remind me of Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful. Everything good. Yo, Randy.
What are you doing, brother?
Yo, look how you deal with brother, nothing, brother. What kind of style like my youth?
How you sound so, my brother? What go on?
I mean, how my son, son. And even you set me up on Vanessa. And you really go behind my back, brother, and sleep with Vanessa, my youth.
Oh, me, brother? Brother, you're a trip, man, brother. Nah, man. You lick your head, brother. How am I do that?
Brother, I have evidence.
Brother, you can't have no evidence, brother, because that's a negative.
Negative. Now you have Vanessa this in a bed.
I don't mean that, brother. That's some AI business, that, brother.
Randy, hear me I say. Over Vanessa yard me I come from. And Vanessa even admit it out her own mouth. Say, I too honest because she want to get back at me, brother.
Yo, Roddy, that there can't be real. As I tell you, that's some AI business. You know me now do that to you, brother.
You know
that, Roddy, so me now do that to you, Roddy.
You know what? Everything good. Just know say as of today, this your brothership you done. Just know say anytime you see me come up with me yard, when me come there, don't come there. Cause watch you know, then say friend treat you better than family and a true. Cause if you are my one brother and you can look for me and have sex with my girl brother. A style thing.
Roddy.
Everything good.
Roddy.
But I never do that to you, brother.
Roddy.
Me, would I never do that to you as a brother.
I said, you know, see, I said somebody I try to set me up, Roddy. You
Set
know,
up.
see that, Roddy?
Set up.
Think about it, Roddy.
Everything
All right,
good.
brother.
Everything.
Bless up.
You should have it stuff from me.
Because I love you. That's why I say for your sister. Because you disrespect because you tell me say you this relationship and this dog. So we just say yo, now I just deal with your sister and try to style them. We never did that. We never. But it's about love, you know.
Wow. Really?
So if you have sex with two brother, well accomplished right that.
It feels great. You know why? I got the perfect reaction from you. And you know what? You lose my sister plus your brother. How great is that?
Everything good, you know, cause they say what no cost life, no cost nothing. If you feel like say you want to date two brother, like, yeah, go there with my cousin too, you know. And keep it in our family.
Father blood will be stronger. I don't need a cousin.
You remind me of Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful. Honey. Then babes, how make you look sir?
Don't babes me. Come sit down here, sir. Don't babes me.
Because I love you. That's why I say for your sister.
Really?
Because you disrespect because you tell me say yo you got a ton and this and that distant relationship and this and that.
Me not understand. Me not understand. Tell me. Really?
Babes, look.
Don't babes me. Don't babes me.
Callie, look now. You see your sister? She's a manipulative bitch.
You know, don't do that. Don't call me sister bitch.
Then
Because I can't believe. Because they want to get back on my sister. You come there with me. You fake everything.
Kali, look.
If you ever touch me.
Me know you think say everything when me do did fake, but it never fake. Kali just, you know what Kali do? Stay so bam so actually go sleeping, brother, and see me.
To do with me, and what that have to do with you? You're not down there.
Yeah, but I'm a brother. I'm a brother that
You know, so me never know you see yourself as a little dog, as a little old. Come out of me house, come out.
So I say you deal with me.
Me say come out.
Kali.
Block me number, delete every picture, everything out of your phone. Block me, come out, me not want.
You know what? Me sleep with you and me sleep with your sister. So what? So what? I know. Everything good, man. Everything good. Remember say
It's a piece of whore.
you're hungry again, here?
What you do down there? What you do down there? You come back down there for?
Sis, I come in peace this time, trust me.
What you want now?
I want you to forgive me. I'm here to apologize. The way I treated to talk to you back then about this guy, Roddy, that was wrong. The voice note can attest to that. He was the problem all these time. He wanted to create a vote between you and I. I'm sorry. I wrong you. I'm the older one. I should have reacted better. But no, because of love.
Well, me understand like a based on the voice note where you send me, you know. I pick up everything, you know. He never want me. I use me to get back at you. That's why me have to run him way too.
Well, I did the best thing. I'm sorry.
Man lie.
The my crosses.
I mean, honestly, me never know say your name there. I'm sorry, sister.
I'm sorry. Don't apologize to me. I'm the problem. I should have allowed you to meet my boyfriend at the time. I judge you. I accuse you. I spoke badly to you. As the older one, I regret that action of mine. Trust me. All because of love and jealousy and madness. Sis, can you forgive me?
Yes.
Can you forgive me, sis? Yeah, sure.
Yes.
We're good.
Yeah.
Give me a hug then now.
Welcome back.
Yeah, sure, that give me some.
Yeah.
And I forgive you too for not knowing and for falling from our ex-man. That's good.
Alright.
Place at door.
Really bad.
Okay. You never miss me.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be around.
Alright.
All right. Turn the phone on if you're hot.